All right, we're switching to another mode. Now we're going to have a live virtual presentation. So we're really excited to virtually host remarks from Dr. Asmaret Asafa Berhe, Director of DOE's Office of Science. Prior to this role, Dr. Berhe was a professor of soil biogeochemistry, the Ted and Jan Falasco Chair in Earth Sciences and Geology, and interim associate dean for graduate education at the University of California, Merced, and once a graduate student at Berkeley Lab. As a soil scientist, her research focused on how physical processes such as erosion, fire, and changes in climate affect essential elements in the Earth system. She has received many accolades for her efforts to ensure equity and inclusion of people from all walks of life in the research community. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Berhe.
Thank you, Carol. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Congressman Lee and others at LBL leadership and everyone in attendance today. It is an incredible honor for me to join you all today to celebrate the unveiling of ESnet6. I want to congratulate and recognize the staff from ESnet, the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, all the industry partners, and the U.S. Department of Energy Office of Science for their successful collaboration to deliver these major accomplishments. As you know, collaboration and big team science is really at the core of everything that we do at the Office of Science and across the national lab systems. And since its inception, ESnet has been the literal backbone for how we collaborate across vast distances and between our world-class user facilities. I know this personally. I value how important these collaborations are for enabling our science and broadening access to our incredible capabilities to a vast, broader public that we are honored to serve. User facilities, as you heard from Carol's talk earlier, are these wonderful mediums through which we provide the opportunity to researchers to collaborate with world-class scientists, and that's in fact my connection with the National Lab and how it started at Berkeley, because I've had the opportunity to work at the lab as a graduate student and collaborate with folks. My entire career really focused at the national labs and the advanced scientific facilities that are managed by the Office of Science. And from the time I was a PhD student at the University of California, Berkeley, my mentees, collaborators, and even now, I should say, my mentees, collaborators, and all of us have had the privilege to use and do research at multiple user facilities located at not just LBL, but also other user facilities at the Lawrence Livermore National Lab, Pacific Northwest National Lab, the Stanford Linear Accelerator, and more. And I say this because I want to recognize that ESnet6, has always been this really important connection between the labs and the user facilities, right? And now ESnet6 is, one more important, ESnet6, is right now the more important step in the future to strengthen these connections that have been enabled and across user facilities and communities that we serve. Recently, I had the opportunity to join the Deputy Secretary, David Turk at DOE, and others, other colleagues at Oak Ridge National Lab to celebrate the launch of Frontier and to celebrate the dawn of the exascale era. ESnet6 is particularly important, obviously, at this stage as we enter this new era where we will be regularly producing exabytes of data that must be moved seamlessly between facilities, collaborators, laboratories, no matter where they may be. And ESnet6 will provide capabilities that are essential to support new kind of advanced scientific analysis, simulation models to meet national needs in addressing the climate crisis, transitioning to clean energy, and meet our economic, national, and energy security challenges. So I think it's not an statement to say that ESnet6 is truly a cornerstone of our national scientific infrastructure. And I'm honored to be able to join you today to celebrate this accomplishment. It is exciting to see how far things have come and what we've built together with ESnet. Thank you again, everyone, and congratulations to all.